Hello, my friends. This time, let me present an excellent KN95 mask factory for you. Why I say it is excellent? First, this factory got CE certificate issued by the notified body. Secondly, this mask factory is in the China government white list, so it is worth buying. Now let me show you the details. Let me show you. This is their CE certificate issued by this notified body. The mask factory name Shanghai Craftwork Company Limited. It is in Dongguan City, China. Let me show you. Model number B13086, class FFP2. Notified body number. Please take note, the validity of this certificate can be verified online. We can guarantee you this is a genuine CE certificate. Okay, let me show you the test report. This is the test report. This standard. USA laboratory. FFP2. If you need the full test report, please send email to me. I will send the full test report to you by email. Okay. Now let's see the China government white list. This is the China government white list. This factory, Shanghai Craftwork Company Limited, Euro CE. Okay, next let me show you the mask. The mask, very nice mask. One piece in a PE bag, then 30 pieces in a gift box. The gift box, KN95. 1,200 pieces per master carton. Their production workshop. Their testing equipment. Sandy space, comfortable breathing experience. Let me show you. This is the quality management system, ISO 13485. Quality management system. So this is a professional mass factory. The FDA their own certificate for each product. This factory is in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province. So if you want to visit the factory, please contact me. I will be glad to receive you in the factory. If you need a mask made in this factory, please contact me. Thank you. I will see you next time. Bye bye.